You... What did you do to me? I can't move.
A doing of my fork of judgment. Fallen creatures like you cannot resist it. It is said that this weapon cannot hurt an innocent being. A consecrated weapon, forged to be used in the praise of the godly.
So this fork of yours alone decides who to crumble or let live? Such laughable self-righteousness. The same ingredients and oven were used to bake the two kin, cakes and cookies. By a mere coincidence, the former couldn't gain consciousness like you did. Neither you nor the witches, no one is in the right to take their lives simply because they are different.
You dare to utter the name of the godly! Are you afraid and hurt? Rejoice, for I'm about to release you of your shame! I shall reduce you to crumbs!
Chiffon! My dear Chiffon, everything's all right. Go on, shoot!
Last words?
Why the delay? Ah, that's right. You see a cookie in me, but I have no need for your sympathy. I am no different from those beasts you crushed. I was born within this tower's walls.
This tower? The godly created you this way?
Only the half. Coincidence would be my other creator.
I began wondering what was taking you so long. My teeth.